How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Dodge Durango. Pretty simple door panel take off. All you're going to need is a pick, a size 7 and a size 10 socket, and then also a couple of door panel popping tools. I went ahead and brought both of these. You can use both these sizes, but I've noticed the bigger ones on the Dodges are a little bit easier to pop the door panel off because they're a little bit tough, the clips that the Jeep Dodge family uses. So it's a little bit tough, and you have a whole row up here of clips as well. So we'll go ahead and grab our bolts out now. You're gonna have one behind the grab handle, then also one behind the door handle. The one behind the door handle, the plastic cover, you can kind of get up top and squeeze a pick in there and grab it off. But I've noticed if you go down below the actual door handle, you kind of go at an angle. Just right here, I'll kind of show you guys. So this is the clip, or the cover coming off the door handle. There's a little lip right here. I've noticed you kind of stick the pick in at an angle underneath the door handle itself. It's kind of easy to pop free, as you guys just seen. And then you're gonna have one behind the grab handle, so we'll go ahead and get that pulled up as well. So the one behind the door handle is gonna be a size 10 socket. It's the big one. Sometimes it can be a pain because you can drop the actual bolt down to the door panel, which isn't a big of a deal because you're taking the panel off anyways. So even if it falls through, don't worry about it. You'll see when you take the cover off, there's actually a Phillips head screw in there as well. You can take that one out. That one actually takes the door handle off the door panel if you need to. Pretty simple, or pretty easy. But to actually get the panel off the door, you don't need to take that one out just yet unless you plan on taking the actual door handle apart. Now we'll go ahead and put our size 7 socket on. Get the one behind the grab handle. All right, now we've got all of our bolts out. We actually popped the panel off the door. Like I said, I tried to use these fatty plastic tools to get the door panel off. Sometimes, like I said, these Dodge and Jeep panels can kind of be tough, but sometimes you get lucky. Just kind of start at the bottom. This one looks like it's not gonna be too bad. Just kind of go around your corners. Alright, now that we've got the ones up the side, actually I might have already got the top ones out, but you have oh, I did get the top ones out. That never happens. But you have a top row of clips as well, so you're going to have them literally all the way around the door. Sometimes door panels want to slip in, but on these Dodge Durangos they're actually pushed in. So when you go to reattach the door panel, I can go ahead and show you, but you just want to line up all the clips, and just kind of like so, and then push it back together. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those clips before I put it back on real quick. All right, kind of got the door panel resting right now, but I just want to show you guys those clips. So you kind of see the holes right here that the clips go into. So just be mindful that whenever you're pulling this door panel off, you do have a top row of clips. So just be mindful of that. So whenever you go to put this door panel back on, it literally just slaps back on, and you're gonna put your screws back in. And like I said, if you want to take the handle out, it's just one, if the camera will focus, there's one little Phillips head screw right there if you want to go ahead and take the handle off. But that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. All right, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much same process. We'll go ahead and grab our covers off. Once again, just kind of pull your door handle out, kind of just stick your pick in there. It takes a second maybe to get used to, but it's pretty easy once you get it in there. And you kind of see it pops off pretty easily. Get the one behind the grab handle. Once again, it's a size 10 bolt behind the door handle. That out, put your size 7 socket on, grab the one behind the grab handle. Now we can go ahead and move to the bottom of the door. Hopefully this one's as easy as the rear. Just kind of start at the bottom. Like I said, make sure you get the sides and the bottom first, and then move up to the top, and then kind of pop the top. And this one's not going to be as easy as the rear. Oh, maybe it will. And voila, so there you have it. That's the rear door panel and the front door panel on a Dodge Durango. Thanks for watching.